Leo. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Show me the cards I need to see for Leo. Prisha Shah, hello, welcome. This is for Leo people. Any Leos are here. This will be your weekly reading. Leos people, I see a lot of conflicts, third party involvement in your relationship or family life, or maybe in your career also. For Leo, I see there is a change coming. There is a new beginnings for you. You'll have to wait another 5 weeks or 5 days. It's showing for some of you, and some of you I'm feeling 5 days for a new beginnings or new change. Maybe if you're waiting for your partner to call, or your if your husband or if your partner, if your lover, anybody is not in contact, or there is a third party involvement, definitely I see a forward movement for you in coming weeks. There is a new beginning for you. You'll have to just prepare, but knowing everything, you still seeing the sky and going and falling in underground is not a good thing. There is a dog which is giving you a sign, don't move now, just wait. So don't be overconfident, okay? So Leos, I see lot of conflicts, lot of third party involvements, and one more thing is in your career, maybe you may lose concentration if you are dealing with same own situation for more days. So I need you people to take balance. So there is a positive change coming, okay? So Ace of Cups and the Fool is a major cards, which is major arcana cards, which is telling it's a major change in your life also. So this week maybe there is whatever going through, I see change, and there is some financial benefits coming in your way, or some savings you may do for your future. So Leo, this is your weekly reading till 22nd. So who is next for angel card? Who shared and who subscribed the YouTube channel? Ina Jamil, welcome dear. I think you are new. If you have any personal question, you can donate. But I'm doing weekly readings for all zodiac signs. You can wait for your zodiac, or you can post for angel card. I can give you, but you need to share and subscribe the YouTube channel. Please support me in YouTube channel and here also. From past 8 years I'm doing this, but I have closed my office. I'm into Facebook and YouTube new as a new person, so many people don't know who is Shri Tarot, but I just want to make sure people definitely will get definitely accurate readings, accurate time frames, everything I have done for so many thousands of people till now. With remedies and solutions I do them. Anupama Purohit, welcome dear. Anupama, for personal question you can donate. We'll post you. One sec, we'll post you. This is the link, okay? There is a sale, you can donate 149 and you can post your question. So Mickey Scorpio still not started, okay? So we finished Leo. I have already done for Leo for the weekly reading. If it resonates, it's well fine. If it does not resonate, you can wait for next week, but it will be posted in YouTube also. So who is next for angel card? Who shared and subscribed the YouTube channel? Mickey, okay, Mickey, for you I can give you an angel card, Mickey. Mickey, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Show me the cards. Mickey, the card came out renewal. Okay, this is your card for a week. There is things you need to do some reviews and evaluate. Okay, so renewal means maybe in your situation right now you may be feeling some things you may be confused, or some things you can't clarify alone. So I see renewal like a landmark decision or a career or a job change. I see maybe you will be moving to a different direction or a new beginnings I see in your life, dear. So renewal means it's like rest easy knowing that you've prepared well. Legal situations are resolved favorably for you. So in addition, academic examination or certificate test or any job, maybe it goes well for you. Okay, it's a very good card. It's a major arcana card. It's a very good card. So all the best, Mickey, for you. So next we will move into Sagittarius. Anybody Sagittarius are here? Show me the cards I need to see for Sagittarius for 15 to 22. Sagittarius, there is some celebration party coming in your way, or birthday. Maybe a birthday around you, or around your friend circle or family. Maybe you're waiting from long time for something, for happiness or for finance stability or something. I see coins, I see money, I see you have to do something for living, or there is so much of curiousness right now for you to know what will happen in my future, how will it go. So Queen of Cups is very good court card, which is like you're sitting in one place and waiting for things to happen, to fall on your spot. But there also you're balancing the situations. I see you balancing the water. There is so much of things. It's not only water. There is a flower. There is a insect. There is even I see two babies here watching. What you will do, because the people around you are even thinking next step what you may take. So Sagittarius, for you I see maybe if you are around people who likes you or who want to mingle with you, definitely you will join them. But if you are not ready to move, then definitely you will sit at one place. Maybe I see changes in sitting and thinking alone, holding the thing, like whatever you want, like you don't want it in future. If you don't want, never you care. But if you want it, definitely I don't see you going and telling to anybody. You just sitting and waiting to fall on your spot. So 9 of Cups, I see a happy man sitting, settled man sitting. So I see money coming and going for you this week, and I see lot of things happening at one time with friends, family. There is a time for you, happy time coming. Maybe this week may be happy for you to spend time with your friends, something like that, very positive. Okay, so Sagittarius, you have to just wait patiently, but definitely if you like, you will move, otherwise you will ignore. This is what I'm feeling for this week for you. So who is next? Who want angel card? Prisha, I don't see you subscribing the YouTube channel. Please go subscribe for the card. Pooja Singh, did you subscribe the YouTube channel? There is a link given in description. You can go and subscribe. Okay, for the new people who don't know, we'll get an angel card definitely. Okay, Pooja Singh, I can give you a card. This is for you. But please do subscribe the YouTube channel. Pooja Singh, you have got fire energy. I don't know if people, any fire sign are around you, or maybe you are a fire sign, or somebody, your partner may be fire sign, or somebody near you may be fire sign. I'm feeling fire energy from your side. So stand your ground here, don't back down, okay? You might need to defend your beliefs and decision this week. Maybe there is something successful coming in your way, but it's important to assert yourself and go for what you want first, okay? Just decide what you want. There is a strength, adversity, and you have got what it takes. It's you, like whatever it wants, you have already. So stand up for your convictions, okay? So choosing your battles wisely, what you want to choose, in which direction you want to go, you're the one alone person, you're the one person who can decide for yourself, for your living. So learning to say no is best thing. Say sometimes no also, don't always be yes. So self confidence and courage is important for you right now. There is challenging power or perseverance I see for you in coming days. So thank you, Priya. Okay, I did once. Let me go to the cups. We'll do Cancer now. For 15 to 22 reading for Cancer, weekly reading for Cancer. Okay, any Cancer signs here? Cancer, what's going on to Cancer this week? Reading for Cancer. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Show me the cards I need to see Cancer. Give me the cards for Cancer, Cancer, Cancer. Okay. Cancer, I think something is not working for you. Maybe in your life, I don't see you're taking time to move forward, you're taking time to decide something. Maybe you lost something, there is some darkness in situation, there is nothing which is giving fruit for you, there is no seeds well planted for you. I see some lagging energy, waiting matlab, it's like resting complete. You have to heal. The basic thing is you have to heal. This week you have to rest well, you have to heal from the past situations, you have to come out of certain thoughts, whatever you have in your mind. King of Swords energy is like maybe you're sitting and dealing as a king, but never mind, I don't see nothing this week. It is no movement, I don't it's like you are in a good position, everything is there with you, there is a logical mind, can be dominating or impatient energy this week for you. So need similar partner, you may think you need a similar partner as you. So Cancer, this week you may wait, or you may have some opinions in your mind about partner, about family life, about career, but this week nothing will work for you. I see you need to heal, you need to just wait, be patient, just wait, rest well, take a good sleep, everything will be well in coming weeks, okay? So who is next for angel card? Who shared and subscribed the YouTube channel? Aishwarya, are you here? Trisha, that is in private reading, dear. I'm just giving a general message or card. Angel card, that's all. Okay, who is next? Aishwarya, are you here? Chauhan Jaya. Chauhan, you can donate for the question. There is pinned message. Pinned message you can see. Aishwarya, this is for you. I don't know, maybe your air energy or water energy. I don't. I'm getting water and air in your energy right now. I don't know, maybe you are related to air or water or your partner. So Aishwarya, for you this week it will be like love life will be little pleasurable. Okay, freedom, things working out the way you hoped for. There is self satisfaction this week for you. So maybe your wish is coming true. So misunderstandings or loneliness also will be there, but it won't be for much long time. Relationship concern, painful revelations. Okay, so something has occurred that makes you sad. Maybe current situation or something from past that has not that is lingering and continues to distress you. So when you allow things to distress you, it will always be a sadness for you. You have to come out of it. Okay, take time to heal, but memories will actually be painful, I understand, but in your life you have to take time to heal first. So this is what I'm getting, Aishwarya, for you. Thank you for sharing and subscribing the YouTube channel. Okay, next Scorpio I'm doing. Anybody saw Scorpio here? So Scorpio for this week. All the best, Aishwarya. Okay, we'll do now Scorpio. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Show me the cards for Scorpio. Scorpio. Guys, you'll have to wait for your angel card. You can book your slots for private reading. Definitely today and tomorrow I am available. Scorpio is actually rejecting or not seeing the offers what they are getting this week or coming days. I see Leo will be included in your relationship or in your family. Somebody Leo, I see strong Leo present here. Maybe Aquarius or Libra also involved. I see Four of Cups energy and the Star card at bottom, where I see it's like Queen of Swords energy is like very strongly sitting bravely. She knows everything, something like she leads the family, straightforward, sits proudly, very organized. Like you may feel you need same type of partner in your life. So Scorpios, I see some Aquarius, Libra or Gemini are involved in this, and the Star card is maybe Aquarius more strong, and Leo also I feel here. There is a fire sign also. So this week for you I see there is opportunity coming, but you are not seeing. Maybe there is a chance you don't see, or maybe there is a chance you may reject for something else without knowing, I think so. With knowing, I don't think with some. Maybe you may have two things, or maybe you can't balance two things at a time. Maybe for some strong reason you may reject, but definitely I see don't do this. There is a good opportunity coming. So just move forward. Just take the opportunity, what it is there, what you see, have it in your life. I see good chances for positive changes for you. So thank you, Scorpio. So who wants next angel card? I'm just pulling angel card now. Trisha Mukherjee, are you here? Okay, if nobody is there, if they just post and just leave, I'll stop doing angel card and I'll just finish the rest of zodiac signs for this week. Sunil Jain, do subscribe the YouTube channel. You'll get an angel card. People don't have patience. They'll post, they'll just leave. I have to just call their name twice, then they'll tell you never gave me the card. Sunil, okay. Thank you for sharing. This is for you, Sunil. Let's see what will angels guide you this week, okay? If you have any questions, think in your mind. You may get answers also. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Show me the cards I need to see for Sunil Jain. Sunil, you got 2 cards. Okay, so let me connect through your energy now. Actually, I see a movement, okay? I see something coming in your way from your energy. Let me first see what is the moon card actually came out for you, and the hermit. I see sadness for you. I don't know, spend time, like you'll have to meditate, you'll have to spend alone quality time, you have to go into some spirituality, maybe you will learn things now. Maybe I see some afraid or insecurity. Are you very insecure right now or afraid of something? Fear energy I am feeling. It is based on external factors, not internal. External factors, you may have some fear or insecurity. It's time for worries, something like your energy right now I'm feeling very irrational or unreal, okay? Don't think it is real, okay? Nothing is real, it's irrational. Whatever your intuition tells right now, just go with that, okay? Sunil, just go with your intuition. Right now I'm feeling you may have some anxiety factors or some trust issues, or you need some guidance actually. There is certain powerful intuition you're getting, Sunil. Maybe you have the capability to become a psychic, or maybe you have the intuition about the things coming forward for you or in future. Maybe you're fearing there is insecurity because you're blocking things. I see you pay attention to your dreams from now. There is some unseen events which are very good changes coming in your life that are affecting your illusions, okay? It will affect your illusions. So this is your message. It's just do meditation. Whatever insights you're getting, whatever intuitions you're getting right now, move with that. That is what correct. The intuition why you're getting it is because God is showing you the way. You have to just move forward with your intuition. Don't hold back, okay? If you have insecurities, just come out of it, okay? Spend some quality time alone, okay? So thank you, Sunil. Please do subscribe the YouTube. I'll be uploading there also the video. Okay, Pisces now. Who is Pisces here? Any Pisces here? Weekly reading for Pisces. Very hard working this week. I see a lot of people will be working hard for the money, for the stability, for finance, for Pisces. But after that I see them, they are very much happy in their own chariot or crown, wearing crown, happily sitting. Maybe I see Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo involved in this. Maybe fire sign also there. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius also there here for some of you. It's like you're waiting for something. You're for whatever you did so long. Maybe you are waiting for something. For a good change, for a good life purpose, you're waiting. Something you have done hard work. You have definitely settled. I see you need more. You need more. Queen of Wands refers. It's like emotional balancing. Wands energies are like. Always it's regular life events. It says like quote cards, but the kind of personalities, or maybe thinking of some personalities around you. So Rabia Khan, Aquarius, I didn't start yet. You just wait, we'll do it. But this is for Pisces this week. So it's like go-getter. You're like, you will go, you will get what you want, you will work hard for what you want. So this week I see some powerful changes. There is a cat showing strength and courage suddenly for you. So it's a challenge, or maybe I see some travel. Some people may travel, or some people have some plans to go out with family or something like that. So I see mood swings this week. Okay, Spices, this is your reading for 15th to 22nd. So Rabia, please subscribe the YouTube channel if you want an angel card. Sarita Suryavamshi, hello dear, welcome. If you are new, please subscribe the YouTube channel and just wait for your angel card. Rabia, you'll get an angel card. If you can wait for your zodiac sign also when I do, but I'm giving angel card also in between. Please subscribe the YouTube channels. Rabia Khan. Tarot Angelic Goddess, you can go and check. Rabia, I see some relationship around you will develop this week for you. Okay, there is some trust and intuition in your way. Whatever you are believing, take care of yourself and others. I see some relationship will develop in a new level for you this week. Okay, this is your message, Rabia. So next sign is. We finished Wands energy, we finished Cups energy, we are going to Swords energy right now. Swords are Libra, Aquarius, Gemini. So we'll start with Libra. Libra, very happy, maybe very much settled, or very happiness you may feel this week. There is a communication coming for you, there is opportunities coming for you, and there is a maybe if your partner, or if you are distant with them, definitely I see a call or communication or a magic happening. They may come to see you or visit you. So with guidance, Libra, so with guidance in relationship, you'll have to move forward. So in coming weeks or this week, I see you'll have to take some guidance from elder persons in your family to move forward in relationship or in a career job. So I see some communication coming for you this week. I see something very majorly happening this week for you. So for you, let me just ask angels what it is. Okay, what it is. Is it love or what? For Libra. Guys, just wait, we'll do Libra and pull angel cards. Please share and subscribe the YouTube channel for angel card. I don't see the notification, you won't get a card. Sarita, I didn't see you subscribing, you'll have to subscribe the YouTube channel. Kylie Lock, welcome dear. I'll give you an angel card. Please share the live session and subscribe the YouTube channel. Okay, there is what I feel is for Libra this week, unity. There is something, some people are very traditional around you, maybe in relationship. This is mainly what I'm getting for this week is relationship reading, and some in opportunities for job. Some people, if they are looking for job, career, foundation, definitely this is your reading for this week till 22nd of October. There is some methods, traditional viewpoints, spiritual organization. Seek out mentors for minded friends who are like minded friends. You can seek out them for your help in relationship growth and in relationship unity in family. If there is third party involvement, definitely go take a guidance from elders. So this is for you, Libra, for this week. So Aquarius, are you here? We'll just pull an angel card for Rabia Khan, are you here? Kelly, I don't see sharer tag. Everybody else have sharer tag. I don't see your sharer tag. Rabia Khan, are you here? If people want angel card, should wait. If they can't wait, definitely I'm gonna not pull angel card. I'll stop doing angel card and we'll do rest of zodiac signs. Sarita Suryavamshi, thank you for sharing. Are you here? We'll give you a card. You can contact me directly through message if you want future reading. Okay, so Sarita, I'm getting air sign from your energy. I don't know if you belong to air sign or if your partner belongs to air sign or somebody around you. There is something ending. So Kelly, very thankful to you, dear. You did very cleverly. Thank you for it. You shared. Please subscribe the YouTube channel. So Sarita, this is for you. I see some difficult situations are ending. Embrace the change and expect things to get better now. Recovery from an addiction. I see some addiction. It might be in your family life. Maybe your husband is drinking too much, or maybe you are addicted to fight with him, or you are addicted to have conflicts with him. Some addiction to misunderstandings also will be there. So I see it is ending. Everything is gonna end this week. I see the positive change for you, Savita. So coming days it is very good for you, okay, in relationship matters. So okay, let's check for Aquarius. Any Aquarius here? This is for Aquarius. Aquarius. Weekly reading for Aquarius. Aquarius, waiting, slow. Nothing is moving forward for you. Maybe you're planning to travel, but you can't travel. You're planning to have some hike in your job. You're planning to have some growth in your life. Nothing is working for you, but suddenly it is like a blast energy, like Wheel of Fortune Major Arcana card pops out. It's like everything is worth waiting. You may feel everything is worth waiting. There is a patience energy. Temperance card, be patient, but there is toxic around you. There is a devil card which is telling you to be careful. Take whatever you communicate, whatever you go into, whatever you have plans, whatever it is there, definitely I see something moving. Right now it is a slow thing. Maybe nothing is happening. You want to build house, you can't build house. You want to buy house, you can't buy house. You want to sell house, you can't sell house. Nothing is working. There is a slow movement for you, but I see suddenly it's like a communication card. Being patient, communication card, toxic energy. There is certain sort toxic people around you. You may meet them, but there is no certain action you can't take suddenly. But suddenly it is like a blast or a boost energy which comes out of your inner soul, from your internal body. I see it's like you taking action. If you want to sell a house, definitely it is possible. If you want to buy, yes, it is sudden changes. Okay, everything is a sudden changes, but definitely it is happening for long term. Whatever you have planned, Aquarius, definitely it is worth waiting. It is all situations coming in your way is very favorable to your personal life. Okay, this might include some air sign also is there. Swords energies also I am getting. Taurus, Capricorn, or maybe even Scorpio, Cancer, Sagittarius, Aries, Leo are also even included in this. Okay, who is next for angel card? We'll do Gemini after giving angel card to Kaylee. Kaylee, are you here? Just a moment, dear. I didn't get notification because I don't know whether you subscribed or no, but I didn't get notification yet. I don't know, maybe it is slow. The network is lagging today. I don't know why. Maybe it's heavy raining here because of the season, I think so. Okay, Kelly, this is for you. I'm gonna pull an angel card for you. If you have any questions, you can think in your mind. You may get answered through angel card. So it's there for you, dear Emperor. I think you're very clean, tidy, organized. From your energy, I'm feeling you're very disciplined, or you want organized living. Is that true? No, dear Capricorn. After Gemini, I will do Capricorn. Okay, you can wait here. I actually called you for a card. You didn't answer, so I just moved on to others. Aishwarya. So okay, Kelly. Yes, from your energies, I'm feeling it's like very strong sign of some leadership. Maybe you're very independent or very leadership at your home. You have leadership qualities. You're like ruling at your own house. Something like that I'm feeling. You have lots of desires to be successful in your life, but there is a stability in coming weeks. I see making wise choices will be helpful to you this week. Security or government agency, if you are involved in some law enforcement or something, you have to respect the every employees or everybody around you who are into this. But this week I see you may even get respect from them. Okay, like it may be fatherhood also or a motherhood. Okay, so be logical thinker, cultivate it if you are not logical thinker. So discipline and order right now I feel it signifies all through. Your dreams are valid and very soundful. Your dreams are very soundful, very strong. You whatever dreams you have. Yes, Kelly, but through energies I may give certain information. Through angel card I can give you only little information, but through energies I can get lot of stuffs about you. I will connect through energies. I'm an energy reader. I'm a clairvoyant medium also. You can take leadership role for your career. Maybe you can fix your career. You can have a foundation for a long term career. Okay, you have a capability on that. So working on structure and order, maybe you will work this structure and order with your friends also. Maybe quality time spending or organized, very much organized, showing them how you do your lifestyle, how you lead your lifestyle. You show them, you teach them certain things around you and your friends. Execute your plans, dear. Okay, this week you just need to execute your plans. Okay, thank you, Kelly. It was so good energy connection with you today. I gave a strong message for you. I was very connected to you. I don't know why, but when people stay here for long time, will be connected easily. Actually, this is why I tell, when you post question or when you post for angel card, you'll have to wait. You may get extra informations waiting. That is what. If you people rush for free reading, definitely I am only one person doing so many things. I can't balance in one time everything. Okay, next is Gemini. Okay, any Gemini here? Weekly reading for Gemini. Gemini. Okay. One more card. Okay. It's just all over again. The same thing what I'm getting for Gemini this week is a lot of conflicts, third party issues, misunderstanding, internal fight, external fight, everything involved. Maybe for some people it might be in home, for some people it might be around you, in career, competition, you're in a very high profile field or something like that. You're struggling to earn money, fix a situation for long term. So this week for Gemini, it will be like everything at once: fight, conflict, misunderstanding. You'll have to be patient. You'll have to just take decision wisely. That's all I see. For the long term, definitely you'll own a house or a property, sit in your throne, will be very happy. But in this week, what I'm feeling is Swatch energy is like little bit ego, little bit what to tell, attitude. It's like I am a man. It's like it might be vice versa. It's only not with man, it might be with women also. If women are working or anybody are employed in house, so this week it will be like I can't do anything more than this, I can only give this much of time. It's something like this I'm getting. So concentration this week will be more into money and more into career, job. Maybe you will be having certain time for your job, certain time for your free time, but I don't see you will be free this week too much. I see people will be like waiting for something to happen in your career, to get a hike or to get opportunities or to move to some other stabilized job or some finance growth. I'm even getting lot about money. I don't know, Gemini may be thinking about how to make money, how to deal with money, how to invest or earn extra money. This week you may be planning more of that. Okay, so Gemini, thank you. This is your reading for 15 to 22. So next, anybody else want angel card can share. Aishwarya Siraj, are you here? Capricorn, next is Capricorn. So Aishwarya, are you here? So rest of the signs: Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo. The last Pentacles energy I'm getting. Okay, then nobody is there for angel message. Let me pull for Capricorn for this week. Okay, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, show me the cards for Capricorn this week. Aishwarya, you will get an angel card if you wait. This is for Capricorn. You can listen. So something, I don't know, Capricorns, maybe you may be waiting for your partner to call you. Maybe I see lot of love here, lot of connection here, soulmate, or maybe it might be even a twin flame for you. But definitely you have waited too long for this. But the man who coming takes time. I don't know, but it will be worth waiting. Definitely I see chance for Ace of Cups, where is happiness, abundance coming in your life. I see Two of Cups is like mutual understanding, you move forward. So you, after coming, maybe you will be like, I waited so long, you made me wait so much, something like that, but definitely worth waiting. So I see positive changes in relationship this week for Capricorn, but in career I don't see anything this time. Career will be in a flow, but in relationship certain things what I'm seeing is through energies I'm feeling like there is lot of gap or disconnection, or maybe withdrawing energy, or certain things are not working. Maybe from long time, from past energies it might be for some people. Presently in this week I see call or message, or maybe meeting, or maybe there is some sort of mutual understanding. Kelly, thank you dear, thank you so much. So it's just, I don't know, it may connect to the people who stay here. It may be their reading also sometimes through energies. If people wait, they will get very accurate, definite reading here. But people are like, we need free readings all the time. It does not work here for me like this. Professionals always don't do free readings. So some sort of help I am doing through zodiac signs. So people who like, I'm very thankful to you. Please support me for YouTube channel also. So for Capricorn, there is a positive changes, positive change in relationship, mainly major changes. Maybe a man coming in your life. I see new persons. If old person, if you are waiting, definitely I see old man connecting, but there is a slow moment. If you have some new person coming, maybe you may feel so long I waited, but finally he is arrived. You may feel this week. So this is your reading for this week. Whatever I get strongly, only a small reading I'll give for zodiac signs for a week reading, because it's a week reading. It might resonate many people, but if it doesn't resonate also, it might not be your reading. That's all. Okay, so Ishwarya, I can give you an angel card now if you want. Thank you for the heart and for the likes, guys. Love you all. Okay, Aishwarya, this is your card. Let's ask angels what is coming for you this week, okay? For Aishwarya. People can donate. If you like my readings, I appreciate it. For Ishwarya, this is for you, dear. See, you actually got a card. So wonderful energy. I think I'm connected to your energy strongly. Maybe some difficulties you faced in your life, I think so. Maybe you never ever had those difficulties prior in your life, in your past life. Maybe those strong difficulties you faced in like past year or past weeks or past months. So I feel you can take a trip, dear. You can take a trip this week. Everything will get better. Just move out of your house. The worst thing will go be behind now. It won't come in your future. I see some security and some stability in your life now. There is finally a light at the end of tunnel, something like that you may feel, but stress and strain fade from your life. Will ever, like, from coming days or coming weeks, I see it will fade away time to time. The wind is blowing this side, then it will blow from other side, so it won't be any pain or gain for you if it blows in another direction. It is like you are escaped from or you have completed your karma, or it is like you have come to the light, enlightenment. Okay, so a trip will be a very good help right now for you. End of depression or illness, a resolution for conflict, leaving and moving beyond. Just go. If you want any if you want your partner, or if you want yourself to just move out, go alone, spend quality time. If your partner comes well and good, you will have more understanding. You can go with him. Every sorts of misunderstanding, problems, conflicts will end. Okay, so I see changes. Okay, take a trip here. Okay, this is your card. So next we'll go for Taurus. So any Taurus here? Thank you, Aishwarya, for supporting. Please subscribe the YouTube channel. Taurus, this is for you. Weekly readings from 15 to 22nd for Taurus. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, show me the cards for Taurus. Taurus, maybe many people who are around you only doesn't like the way you act, or they are like talking behind. There is so much of talking. Aishwarya, thank you, dear. I actually feel for Taurus this week there will be lot of some people will not like you. I don't know, maybe around you or maybe wherever you go, some people may follow you for toxic energies are with you. If it is for a man or woman, it might be vice versa. It is not like female or man. It is for universal. This is universal reading what I'm doing. It's a collective based reading. So Swatch energy refers, Seven of Swatch is like sadness. How can I believe again? I have come out of it and I have to take again a step ahead, or I have to think about it. Still I need time. It's like waiting energy, or certain things maybe very much Seven of Swords are like deception or a betrayal, taking only what needed and leaving rest things. Don't do that, okay? Universe is bearing witness to true intention here. So getting away with something, being strategic, being grateful for resources. You have moving silently and quickly, but be more grateful to things what you have, maybe the resources what you already have in your life. You have to just do it in strategic way, that's all. Moving silently and quickly is important right now for you. So I feel you should act from the place of the love and morality, and the universe witness for the honest intentions. So this week will be more of gain for you, okay? More than the past things which affected. More than that, you will feel more effective in your career or job, okay? So thank you, Taurus. So last and final is Virgo, okay? I'm going lastly for Virgo for 15 to 22nd. Let's see what the Virgos are going on, dealing with, what is coming for them in this week. Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, show me the cards for Virgo. Virgo for 15 to 22nd. 15 to 20. Virgo, some money is coming in your way this week. And I see some love coming also. Maybe if you're waiting for your partner to call or message, definitely I see a soulmate or twin flame card here. It might be a past love life or past life connection. Mainly, it's maybe definitely a news coming in your way, Virgo, for long time, which will serve, but you need to take responsibilities. Okay, it's something showing you need to take responsibilities. You'll have to act wisely in all situations. So 6 of cups, within 6 days or within 6 months, I see some changes. There might be some man in your life, or I see if you have already, definitely they are traveling to see you this week. They may be planning to meet you or talk to you this week. If any misunderstanding, sort of any fight, conflicts are there, everything will end very well for you. So this week will be a lot of incoming, lot of more than giving you may take this week. So Virgos, there is a good positive message for you. Thank you. So hello आसम खान, क्वेश्चंस के लिए आप डोनेट कर सकती हो, बट आई कैन गिव यू एंजल कार्ड इफ यू वांट. काजल गुप्ता, फ्यूचर रीडिंग इस प्राइवेट में होगा, पेज सर्विस होगा, यहीं पे सिर्फ एंजल कार्ड मिलेगा अभी. आई एम नॉट डूइंग एनी कार्ड्स फॉर एनी पर्सनल क्वेश्चंस. आई एम गिविंग अ जनरल मैसेज इफ एनीबडी वांट्स. If you want to ask card for your person or for you, definitely you can donate. Free readings are closed. See the pinned message. Assam, please subscribe the YouTube channel for the angel card. This is the last card I'm giving. Anybody else want, or can I end the live session?